You don't lose if you get knocked down. You lose if you stay down. Even the greatest was once a beginner. Don't be afraid to take the first step. Success is not achieved by winning all the time. Real success comes when we rise after we fall. Some mountains are higher than others, some roads steeper than the next. There are hardship and setbacks, but you cannot let them stop you. Even on the steepest road, you must not turn back. Don't count the days, make the days count. I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion. Champions are not made in the gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them, a desire, a dream, a vision. What you are thinking is what you are becoming. True success is reaching our potential without compromising our values. Impossible is just a big word thrown around by small men who find it easier to live in the world they have been given than to explore the power they have to change it. It's hard to beat a guy when he's got his mind made up that he's going to win. This life is not real. I conquered the world and it didn't bring me satisfaction. Every day is different and some days are better than others. But no matter how challenging the day, I get up and live it. When you are right, nobody remember. When you are wrong, nobody forgets. I have never let anyone talk me into not believing in myself. Service to other is the rent you pay by your room here on earth. God gave me this illness to remind me that I'm not number one. He is. If your dreams don't scare you, they are not big enough.